Hey everyone, you're on the Velar channel. Today I'll show how to get unlimited Google Drive space. We can do this by creating multiple Gmail accounts and logging into Google Drive with them. Then go to the multi-cloud service. Okay, log in there. Next, select Google Drive here. Sign in to all your accounts. Since we get 5 GB free per account, you'll have plenty of space. You can make endless accounts. Now add another cloud. You'll need to grant permission. There. Then we can cross-use these drives. If I reload 2 drives now, you can move data between them. That's it. This was Velar. Bye everyone.